Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 23rd of March, 2020.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, getting towards the end of another month. Spring is here and Easter's coming up.
Easter's coming. Yes, it is.
Right,
Unless they cancel Easter.
They may do that. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Still trying to hydrate. It was warm on Saturday and kind of cool yesterday. Crazy weather, but we've got a couple more weeks of
Definitely cold today.
Very busy again this week.
Yep.
A lot going on, Mom was off. Loretta was off for a couple of days last week due to the coronavirus and the social distancing. Worked a little bit on cleaning up the mom cave. You get a lot done in there?
Not a whole lot because no, because I got to take everything out, and every time I try, it rains.
Yep.
So
she worked on that a little bit. Completed some bunnies here behind me. So I got some Easter bunnies done. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to make it to any Easter shows, but they're cute, and we'll have them for around the house. And then you started cleaning up that wood down here.
Yes, I did.
For another resin table. So we've got 2 in progress over here, and then this one sitting in the wing. So we got a lot of resin tables going on. Saturday was busy.
Very busy.
Millhand Michael and I all sawed 258 1x4x8s and 14 1x4x10s for a friend of Mama's that you work with. It was her daddy. We got those all sawn in one day and taken over to his house and dropped off. Had quite a trailer load. We put it on the back of the F350 and drove it over. And he had a little trailer he wanted them stored on. Said he wasn't going to stack and sticker them and all that because he's planning on using them pretty quickly. But had quite a little trailer full. I think he was impressed with our work and how quickly we got it done. Sunday was a flurry of activity.
We had a blast Sunday.
Everybody's here. We're talking about welcome back to the shop, and we'd love to see you back in the shop. Holy cow.
Everybody here.
So yeah, everybody was kind of back in the shop this weekend. Had a great time. Sunday, Daniel did some welding. Let's look at that. Alrighty, he made a couple of garden tools.
Yes, he did.
Really nice. Why was he making garden tools? Because on Saturday, Kimmy, and if y'all know Kimmy, holy cow, Kimmy made a garden. That was shocking.
That's like,
we were surprised.
Overwhelmed.
Yeah, that was
wow.
Neat. Kimmy's not usually a garden type person, but she made a garden on Saturday, and Daniel had to get her some tools together so she could work her garden. Michael turned some pins. Let's look a little bit at that video. Alrighty, so here's a couple of the pins that he turned. I think he actually turned this 50 caliber pin on Saturday.
Yeah.
And then this Gatsby style pin. Now look at that. If y'all can see
Gatsby?
that,
That's a cool name.
Gorgeous. But he turned, I think, a total of 7 pins.
7 pins while he was here this weekend.
Busy. Red and Care Bear worked on resin tables. Let's take a look at that real quick.
I was actually showing them around. No,
It's just a different kind.
when we brought her down here, we made hay.
No, but I forgot it was there.
Alrighty guys, so everybody was busy, and Loretta last week made this beautiful meat and cheese board here. So
Yeah.
come out really nice. Love the way that looks, and got some plans on making some more, but we'll talk more about that
meat,
in
cheese,
a
and dip.
Meat, cheese, and dip. Yeah,
'Cause that's what the bowl's for.
Dip, we dip. Loretta got some, or got that done. You got some more waiting in the wings. A few right now.
Right down on the floor. Yeah.
Guess what? After about 5 months of talking about it, we finally finished the door to corner stand, corner cabinet, towel rack, whatever you want to call it. It's going into the bathroom of the house.
Yay!
We started talking about it, gosh, about November, I guess, of last year when we redid the bathroom. But as things normally are for me, got down to the last, literally probably half hour, 45 minutes worth of work needed to be done. The shelves were built, the shelves were ready. All they had to do was be put in. And I kept saying this is an easy job, won't take anything to do, no work at all to it. So kept putting it off, but finally got that done yesterday.
Awesome.
Yesterday.
Put the pins
That's
in.
it.
I think we're going to carry it over tonight, aren't we? And put it up.
Going to try, yeah. The
Yay!
video's doing its thing. And most importantly, Butterbean had a snack. Alrighty guys, let's take a look at what's coming up. Alright. Upcoming for Two Dogs. Now, the wedding planters that we've talked about many times and was actually going to be working on last week, they are on hold, and they are on hold until we don't know when.
I think they postponed it to sometime in May, but we don't know when.
We don't know, so we don't need them kind of sitting around the shop. We may get, kind of, if we build them, we can't move them anywhere with everything going on. So they get stuck here. They won't be too hard to do, but they're on hold, as is the champagne wall for the same wedding. Going to be holding on to starting that project until we know when the wedding is going to be. And again, this is all due to social distancing due to the coronavirus. And the props for the play.
Oh yes, the play.
That's questionable. We don't know what's going to happen with the play right yet. I reached out to Mickey, our good buddy Mickey, and the term she used was it's iffy. These are some large props, and there's just no way we can have them sitting around the shop. I think I'm going to kind of get started on them, so where I can, when it's time, we can put them together quickly. But in the meantime, they're kind of on hold. I'll probably keep them on hold for at least another week or two. Red's going to finish her resin top table pour. Now this is a commission piece she's got over here for a friend. That is going to be, the top just going to be finished. Not planning on
He's
the table.
supposed to, that one's actually for a wedding present in June, I think, but if they don't postpone that.
But who knows what's going to happen, because there are some reports this may go on until August, so we don't know, but you're going to work and get the tabletop finished, because that's easy to store. Not finish up the table until we have a
till the legs go on it, right?
We have a firm date. Loretta wants to wood burn some projects.
Oh yes, I already did one.
Yeah, you did that one project. Yeah,
I did a Minnie Mouse on wood. Yeah,
really,
they're really cute.
And then Care Bear is going to learn next time she comes down to do some wood burning.
She wants to do a picture of her dog.
I'm going to work on some of these pin displays now. When we go back to shows, doing shows with the pins that Michael's making, we're going to do these pin
stands. Yeah.
And what these pin displays will do is literally just hold our pins. There'll be some rods going between these two boards here, kind of at an angle like this. And what will happen is the pin will rest in this little notch right there, and then we'll sit in a corresponding little divot or hole in that board below it. So that's how that's going to look. Each one of these, I've got 2 of them, can hold up to 9 pins, so a total of 18 pins. I'm going to work on those.
How many pins do we have already?
What's that? 18.
How many pins we have? How many
16.
pins do we have finished?
Oh, 16.
16. Well,
16.
yeah, so it'll hold
16.
it almost all.
And then you're going to work on some more of the charcuterie boards.
I sure am.
Or meat and cheese.
Because those can be sold basically at any show we go to. So whenever they decide to open shows up again, we'll have something to sell. Yeah.
That way, in case we get a no-notice show, or hey, we're open up this weekend, we need people to show, we can show up. I'm going to work on some wine holders. Now, I've had these wine holders for longer than I've been talking about doing the door. But again, down to the last couple of minutes, needs a couple of pins, a little bit of epoxy, and they'll be done. Literally, probably part of the reason is I didn't want to, they'll take up more space if I actually build
Put them together,
so, we've been just kind of holding off till we get ready to go to a show, and then literally everything's cut and ready to go.
Well, and we can't really load the trailer because Daniel's going to weld the...
got to
weld the shelves back together, so we can't load anything.
Daniel's going to get the shelves welded up for us. And then we've got a couple of logs that we got to saw for our good buddy Keith. If he gets them over, he's had some trouble getting them picked up from where they were and getting them over here. Hopefully we'll get them this week. Alrighty guys, let's move on. Still hydrating a little bit with all this crazy weather. Hadn't moved to tea. Was going to make some sweet tea, but the weather changed on us again.
And now it's cold.
Right. Shows and markets and shows. All shows are on hold. Everything right now is in limbo due to social distancing for the coronavirus. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what shows are going to be open, what shows are going to be closed, what shows are going to be delayed, what shows are going to be moved. Maybe we don't know. We don't know anything. So we have no plans right now of applying for any shows, any markets, or anything. We're just going to sit here like everybody else, and everybody else is the same boat we're in. Most people a lot worse off, particularly small businesses, because this is kind of just our thing we do. But really, a lot of people hurting because of this. So we're going to hold off before we make any decisions on what we're going to do until there is more information available. Well, I believe that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Just everybody stay safe, wash your hands, you know, make sure that, you know, you're not in larger groups than what, 5 or 6 people, up to 10, I think, keep small groups.
10 around.
You know, stay around your family, I guess, and just be safe.
Be safe, be careful, and be clean. Cover coughs and sneezes, and wash your hands. And when you're done washing your hands, wash your hands. And when you're done washing, wash your hands
again.
That's it. Remember, 20 seconds, sing the happy birthday song 2 times, and you should be good on the hand washing.
Birthday song 2 times? Really? I'll remember that at work.
That is it. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.